Welcome everyone to this short tutorial, and now we're gonna make 3D logo. Just as usual, drag your logo to your composition, and I'm gonna make it to full HD first. So 1920 and 1080, okay? And we see that we have to scale down the logo first. Okay, nice. And then you do right click and pre-compose, name it to Pepsi logo, and one more time right click, pre-compose, and name it 3D Pepsi logo. Nice. Now open your 3D Pepsi logo. Now you're in Pepsi logo, and then click your 3D, and then press P to open position and right click. Then you will see there is a separate dimension. Click it, press Alt and click Z axis position and change to index and click anywhere. And then apply effect called levels. Drag it and change the input black to around 70, and then duplicate as you like. Here I want to duplicate like around 100. Still 60, and then here 128. Good. And we can see here by changing active camera to left, you can see it's this thick. It's pretty good for me. And then go delete your levels for the first layer and the last layer. Uncheck the level for the first layer and the last layer. Here the effect is already done, and what you need to do next is just click this and create an animation. Select a keyframe. I want this to be my starting point, like this. And my endpoint. For this tutorial purpose, I will just animate it like not really smooth, not really good, but this is the result after run preview. And render it, add to render queue. I want it to be transparent, so I change the setting. AV change to QuickTime, and then RGB change to RGB plus alpha. Then OK, and then press caps lock for faster rendering speed. Then render it. Then you're good to go. It's all done.